Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I am going to be doing a tutorial on these new e.l.f. camo CC color correctors. So right now I have nothing on my face and we're going to look at these color correctors. So if you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, subscribe. Let's get into this video. For primer, I did put on the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer, and now my face is like moisturized and tacky. Sometimes I'll use that and then I'll put on like another primer, but I think we're just going to use that one today because it's very like nourishing. So we have the e.l.f. Camo CC Color Correcting Concealers. The first one I have is Peach. Peach cancels out like purple undertones, and then I have a green one which is supposed to cancel out red anywhere like on your face. So like if you have a blemish, it'll cancel out red. So these are the two that I picked up. Now there is a blue one as well that can cancel out like more of an orange tone. I really don't have orange tones on my face, so we're going to use green to cancel out the red. Anywhere that I have like a red blemish. And I usually get red like right around here too, and then a little bit on my nose because my tip of my nose is a little windburnt right now. And then Peach, you can cancel out purple undertones. So we're going to place this anywhere that there's like a purple undertone. So I'm going to use it right here in my inner corner. Look right under my eyes because like I need purple to be canceled. And then also right on some of my like sunspots that are a little bit darker, that are almost like a brownish purple. So you use it and it's pretty much like coloring your face, but green cancels out red, peach will cancel out like a purple undertone. So it definitely brightens my under eyes. So you can definitely see that it's starting to correct even though I haven't blended it in yet. I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and just start tapping this into the skin. Now we aren't like fully blending it in because we haven't put on any of my foundation yet. So let's put on my foundation and see how these like layer with foundation as well. Foundation, it's going to be the True Skin from Catrice. I would make a lot of noise. This is in the shade 007. It is the True Skin foundation from Catrice. And we're going to layer this on top of all the color correction. And let's see how it cancels out and covers and blends with these correctors as well.
Hello.
You're so cute.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, so half of my face has the foundation. The other half does not. And you can see it definitely corrected right here. I usually have like my blemishes that show up because I drool in my sleep. They usually show up like underneath the foundation. I'm really curious about some of this over here too, like my age spots. I'm curious to see how it corrects under my bags. Like it did really well over here. And then I also put the color corrector on my age spot. Okay, so this is what the face is looking like with the Catrice True Skin and the two color correctors from e.l.f. It looks really like flawless, and I did notice that it canceled out a lot of the redness and like hyperpigmentation that I do have. You can't even tell that I have blemishes, and it didn't like cake onto them, which is really good. So let's put on my new concealer. We have the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie Multi-Use 24-Hour Concealer. This is the brand new one in 20 NN, so it's like a neutral. It comes with this little buffer brush. So this is 20 NN and what it looks like on my under eyes. And this is 0.55 fluid ounces, so it is like the same size as the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So you're going to get a lot of use out of this. And like I said in that new makeup releases video, I'm kind of wondering if they really designed this to be like your 2-in-1, like you literally spot conceal and you're on the go like all the time, like a lot of people have been doing lately, or like it's just one of those you throw in your purse, but you actually get a lot of product in this. 0.55 ounces. I really like the way that blended out though. That's really pretty. So far, really liking the face. So let's do my eyes. Here's my completed makeup look using the new e.l.f. camo color correctors, peach and the green, and then also using the new Stay Naked Quickie concealer from Urban Decay. And this is what the makeup is looking like. It's looking pretty, and I love and really think that this all like layered really nicely together. These definitely concealed, especially in here where I get a lot of my like blemishes, and I really like this concealer. It's very smoothing and it literally is like weightless and flawless, and it literally holds up to its name. My skin looks magical and flawless and absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope I get to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!